Alphabet's shares experienced a significant drop of up to 9% in after-hours trading following the release of its fourth quarter results, which fell short of revenue expectations. Despite this, the company's earnings per share exceeded analysts' estimates by 2 cents. Revenue reached $96.47 billion, slightly below the anticipated $96.56 billion, while earnings per share stood at $2.15, surpassing the expected $2.13. The company's YouTube advertising revenue was $10.47 billion, exceeding expectations, while Google Cloud revenue disappointed at $11.96 billion compared to the expected $12.19 billion. Traffic acquisition costs amounted to $14.89 billion, slightly below the anticipated $15.01 billion. Alphabet's overall revenue grew nearly 12% year over year, compared to more than 13% growth in the same quarter last year. The company's revenue growth, as well as growth for its search business, its YouTube ads business, and its services unit, were all slower compared to a year ago. Google's advertising revenue growth was 10.6%, compared to 11% a year ago. Search revenue growth was 12.5%, compared to 12.7% in the fourth quarter of last year. YouTube ads revenue growth was 13.8%, compared to 15.5% a year ago, and growth for the company's services business was 10.2%, compared to 12.4% a year ago. Looking ahead, Alphabet plans to invest $75 billion in capital expenditures in 2025 to further its artificial intelligence strategy, exceeding Wall Street's expectation of $58.84 billion. Capital expenditures for the first quarter are projected to be between $16 billion and $18 billion, surpassing the expected $14.3 billion. The company's fourth quarter net income increased more than 28% to $26.54 billion from $20.69 billion a year prior. Despite the cloud revenue miss, the cloud unit's revenue increased 30% from the year prior. Alphabet has been drawing profit from the cloud business as it tries to keep up with market leaders Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. The company's Other Bets segment reported revenue of $400 million in the fourth quarter, falling short of expectations. Waymo's robotaxi service now operates in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Phoenix, covering more than 500 square miles of public roads. In December, the company said it plans to launch its commercial service in Austin, Texas, and through the Uber app in Austin and Atlanta in 2025. The company also announced that it will begin testing Waymo in Tokyo, its first international expansion.